2 days before New Year's Eve, so we are here at Seibu Yuenchi Illumination. I actually passed this way a couple of times, but I couldn't see the illumination. Apparently it is like sloping down in the middle, so you can actually see the illumination on the road. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button below
and click that
and
subscribe
write a like
below
and comment
when I upload new
on the comment
videos.
section below. This illumination actually runs a couple of months before and after Christmas, so you can enjoy it until around April. Here we are on the train that goes around the park, so you can see all the parts of the illumination, all the areas.
Yeah, you can't just do that out of the blue. Yeah.
So sit down and relax and enjoy the illumination until the end of the video. Thank you for watching.
Look.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.